lip.
Can we open up the box of headlights now?
Sure, Hoss.
Okay, follow us.
Faster, faster.
Yay!
Another box.
Don't scratch the headlight though, be careful. Ooh.
Oh, those are cute.
Cute? Cute?
Yeah.
Those are cool.
Let me see.
Oh.
Those are badass. Those are not
Those
cute.
are
They're
like
badass.
these are like the new ones that come in the WRXs.
Oh, really?
Those are the same ones I had on my STI, remember?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
They were sick.
The black STI,
Yeah.
remember? Houston.
With the red wheels? Yeah, those are the same exact
Yeah, I
ones.
like those.
They look so good.
Here's your baby.
Here, let's go compare. Wow, way different. I think I like the stock ones better, Hoss.
Oh, so crusty.
They look sick. What we're doing in today's video on this WRX, oh, I just almost punched you, is new headlights, which are these ones here, new front lip, and an STI wing. If you guys want to get any of this stuff, I'll link it down below so you can
Cop it.
cop it, yeah. We gotta pull the bumper off though. Pull the bumper, change the headlights, and then when the bumper's off, we can just put the lip on then. It'd be much easier. Sound good?
Yeah, sounds Gucci. Ready?
Ow. Pound it right back into place.
Okay, we got a weird one.
To get a bumper off on a Hawkeye, there's a bunch of clips on top, and then there will probably be some underneath as well. I hope I don't have to put it up on ramps for that. It's gonna look way better with these freaking new headlights, dude.
Yeah, it will be.
Ow. Alright, so there's 3 clips on the bottom on each side. You have to pull off, at least on this car. Stock, there's a skid plate, but there ain't no skid plate on here. You have to learn the low life. Should we give her a class on the low
Probably.
life?
We should go find some
That'd be a
like
funny ass video.
Scratching everywhere.
Scratching?
scraping.
It's called scraping, dog.
Scratching.
First of all, you need to learn the low life lingo. What should we do
Yes.
first? Headlights or lip?
Headlights.
Headlights? Okay. So what we're gonna do, babe, and YouTube, we're gonna back the car up more, and then we're gonna close the shop door and just align the new headlights, the low beam, cut off to the same as these ones. Bobby's gonna take off the headlight. He's skilled like that. My other parts container.
Oh, that one was a loose one. And then we're also gonna want to do this. No,
Oh, you're good.
this one.
I
Was
don't
it?
know.
Was it right? No,
Why?
because this is connected to this.
What's that black thing connected to though?
The headlight. And then we're gonna want to unclip this.
Oh, I understand.
Why'd you yell?
You wanna know why your headlights get full of water?
Alright.
This right here goes into the back of your headlight.
Oh.
And
So-
somebody forgot the seal.
Water gets in there.
For real?
There's some bunky shit going on here. I don't know what the fuck all this is. So we're gonna need that bracket, the metal thing.
Okay.
So you gotta take that off.
Easy as 1, 2, 3.
This black thing. Right? Dope. There's rocks inside your headlight. See?
Wow.
Nice. Oh, you can see them all down here. Look at that. Do you see them?
Oh yeah, there are a lot.
The hell? What the hell? You wanna put the headlight on?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want me to put that on that headlight first?
Yes.
Ooh.
It even smells in here.
Fancy.
There. There's your assembly.
Thank you.
Install, please. Are you excited? We're not gangsters today.
Ah, my hair's messy though.
Your hair's messy?
Yeah.
From what?
I don't know.
Oh, damn. That looks liddy.
Way better.
My bolts, please.
This is a 3-person job to change a headlight. Good job. Wow.
Okay.
Can I hire you?
Sure. What are
What do
these?
you charge? You just take it off. You don't know how it goes? Remember?
Oh.
Good job. Wow, you're talented. Damn, dude!
I haven't even seen them yet.
It's like a 2015 STI.
Oh yeah, that looks so much.
That is a new one. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
That is the old one, okay? No, I'm talking to my family
Oh,
over here on
sorry.
YouTube. What are you up to, Nick? Gotta show the gram.
Yeah.
So, do you see this right here?
Yeah.
Do you like that big ass gap right there?
No,
Do you want to fix it? You probably don't need to take the bolts all the way out. Just try to get it farther in there.
I don't like it when you yell at me.
I'm not yelling, I'm offering a tidbit. That white LED strip should light up, I think, if I remember correctly. Oh, it does. That is litty. That looks so good.
Aww.
Does it make you want to cry?
Yeah, emotional.
What an emotional day for the WRX. Okay, so you guys see on the wall over here how the left side is lower than the right side? We got to bring that low beam up a little bit. And there's just adjuster screws on the back of the headlight. So it should be pretty easy.
It looks so much better. Ugly cutie.
Alright, should I do the other side?
Let's do the other one. Da, 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 da.
Wow, that's nice.
That didn't sound creepy at all.
The new headlights are on, looks a million times better.
More better.
Baby, the front lip is not that one. That is mine. Her front lip is in the trailer. If you guys want to pick up these headlights, they will be linked down below along with the front lip and the spoiler we are about to install. We're gonna do the front lip right now, and then we're gonna move on to the wing. It's much easier to install the front lip when the bumper's off the car. It's gonna change the whole front end. Those headlights look really good though.
Ow. Shall I crack your finger?
Yeah. Should we get her on?
This way?
Damn. I love these lips.
Nikki, come here.
Oh, it looks way better.
Is it pretty neat?
Pretty neat.
Lola, what do you think? Okay. We don't want to like drill a bunch of holes, so I'm gonna put it on and clamp it on.
Okay.
And then we can drill holes. Make sense?
Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay. I like that. You want to try? You want to put a screw in it? It's so fun. Here's your assembly.
For real?
Yep.
Do I just go in it?
Yes, ma'am.
Really? Without any hole?
Perfect.
Wow.
Is that fun?
She kind of liked it.
Ooh, that looks so good.
Let's take a step back and peek.
But put down the hood.
You can put down the hood, Haas.
Okay.
What do you think, Nick?
Yeah, it looks way better.
Game changer. What do you
Game
think, Haas?
changer.
It looks so good. Just get a good look at that beauty.
Does the paint look good?
Yeah.
It actually does kind of look good.
Yeah.
As long as it matches. That looks like perfect, actually. Next up is a wing. So the wing we're doing is like an eBay STI replica wing. It came pre-painted. I think it's like $300, and it looks like it paint matched okay. I guess we'll see when we get on the car, but we gotta pull the stock WRX wing off. So there's 2 nuts there and 2 nuts there, and that should be it. And a wiring clipper here. So we should be Gucci. Try not to drop these nuts in the trunk, because if you do, they're lost forever.
Really?
Well, I did it on my FRS, and I had to pull my trunk off all the way and like jiggle it around.
Look at Nikki back there with her ring.
Ow.
Woo! Out with the old and in with the new.
We have a serious debate.
Hmm.
So what we can do is we can bolt your STI wing on with those 4 bolts, or we can properly put it on, but we'd have to drill like a bunch more holes in your trunk. And if you have it on with just 4 nuts, it's kind of sketchy. It's like a big wing, and it might fly off. But then if you do that, you can't put this one ever back on because you all have holes.
Because I probably won't use that.
So the first thing I'm gonna do is put this brake light on, which there's just 2 wires on the end, and it doesn't have a connector on it. So I'll have to cut the connector off the WRX light and put it on here. We have to run this wire right here through this hole, through the whole wing, and out here. Should we give her hell? See if we can get her.
Yeah, I guess so. I like digging around.
Is it kind of fun? You see it yet? So I figured that they would send a template when I bought this wing, and I thought it said they would, but we got it and there was no template. So what I'm gonna do to make my own template is I have all the bolts on here, and I'm gonna take the box that it came in. So basically I'm gonna make my own template by taking a chunk of this cardboard, setting it on there, and making little imprints in the cardboard. And then we can like pull holes in the cardboard and then set that on the trunk, and hopefully
That'll do?
Hopefully it works, yeah. Kind of a pain in the ass though, honestly.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
So let's give her hell. I like how it like pops through this tight. Do you like this idea though? I kind of fuck with this idea. What does this remind you of? I'm just wondering.
I don't think you were just wondering.
All right, guys. So what we did, yeah, I think you saw the last part. This is our template down here, and then I set that template up on the trunk and used a paint pen and got all these marks on here. And now I'm just like going around measuring, making sure everything is even before I drill a bunch of freaking holes. So 1 3/4. Please be 1 3/4, you little 4. Damn! I should give myself a pat on the back. That is all good.
Okay.
Now the only thing I'm concerned with is the wing far enough back or far enough forward, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
And there's no way to tell, really.
Well, let's put that on and then plop that one on top and see what
No,
it looks like.
it doesn't, I don't care what it looks like.
Oh.
There's a little lip that has to hang over the back of this trunk. This edge right here. And that's impossible to tell with all these studs we got in here. I really hate how none of these holes line up.
Yeah,
It's so annoying.
it is.
It's so annoying.
If worst comes to worst, you buy a new trunk with a real STI wing on it.
Yeah, true. Is that far enough back to where it's gonna look right? Come on, Nick. Is it? I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'll have to start sending it.
Full
Really?
sned, yeah.
Is that what you're cleaning with?
I mean, what else can you do to make it better?
I don't know. There's not much else I can do. We're doing it?
Let's do it.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
You ready to have this STI wing on crooked?
Yeah.
Okay, well I'm gonna start with the really, really small holes.
I'm excited.
Which one should I do first, Nick? The very edge? No, because that one was off a little bit, so I'm gonna say that one.
Honey, you can't ask her and then say no.
Sorry, not that one.
Nope, not that one. Technically, no. Listen, technically, these 3 do not matter. Because
Why?
if these are 3 fucking inches off, it doesn't matter because your stocked up brick swing goes over that.
So if those ones are messed up, it doesn't
Then we
matter.
can redo them.
Yeah.
Technically, I don't want to, but I mean, this wing's a piece of shit. So,
Ah,
how you feeling over there?
ah.
Looks like we got something.
What do you think, Nick? You like?
Now let's do the scary ones.
No,
These ones.
I'm saving all those for last. I'm gonna bolt the wing on with just these holes we have
And see. Oh.
first, and see if everyone ends up.
Smart.
This is the ultimate test, Haas. Have faith in thy brethren.
Huh?
Oh fuck, I'm scared. Let's see if this bitch lines up.
Better freaking.
Don't look, Nikki. Okay, those look good. They're not bad, dude. Good. I'm about to bolt this bitch on. Hell yeah, I think it'll work. So, I'm actually gonna bolt this fucker on right now. But damn, so far 2 bolts are in. I think we're actually like
Getting somewhere?
straight. Like this shit's kind of straight, dude. Hell yeah. I'm so surprised the shit lines up. How is this lining up?
Baby, chill.
Why?
It's called have faith in yourself.
Set her up, see what we're thinking.
Ooh. Damn. See.
Okay, well, I'm kind of happy because I'm pretty sure we like
Did it?
kind of got it where it's supposed to go.
We did.
I'm pretty fucking excited.
Look at you. Look at that smile.
Hell yeah. Okay, so now we have hole to drill, and then we should be done. Actually, no, we're not. We still have to wire in the brake light. I have to do custom wiring there. And then on the bottom,
Stop.
Nikki, I have a bad news actually. You're gonna have like a nut just chilling there and a nut just chilling there, and it's gonna like kind of fucking ugly.
Well, I usually don't have my trunk open.
Okay. Well,
Yeah, it doesn't
I'm just
matter.
like forewarning you that it's not gonna be all that pretty.
That's fine.
So we got all the holes drilled. I gotta put this wire through there, and there's also no connector on it, so I'm gonna have to cut that one off, that trunk or that wing. But this is it. You hype, bruh? The lower half of the wing is bolted on with all like 10. There's like 10 bolts holding that thing on. It's
Jeez.
crazy. Next thing to do is this wiring right here. So basically, what I'm gonna do. Hey Nick, you wanna hit your brake light or your brakes? Alright, try again. Alright, red goes to green. So what I'm using is, they're like heat shrink solder bless you. They're heat shrink solder connections. So you don't need to actually solder it. You just put this heat shrink thing on there and heat up the heat gun, and it solders itself together. So I'm gonna sit on that. Okay, you good. Who wants to do the honors? You want to do it? Of closing the trunk? Damn.
Nick, you want to come see your trunk?
Or do you want to pull it outside first and look? She's gonna scrape. She scraped? She already scraped. Hell yeah, that looks so good.
It looks so good.
Is it lit? Yeah, that looks sick. How was your first scrape session coming out?
That's scary.
It looks like a different car.
Yeah,
Bro.
it really does.
Peace.
Thanks.
Got you.
Ow!
Bye, Nick.
Bye. Thank you.
You're welcome.
For working on this like all day.
Damn, that looks sick. It's such a simple build too.
Smile.
Lip, headlights, wheels, coils, and a wing. That's it. It looks so
It
good.
does so much.
That's
It's a
crazy.
completely different car now.
I know, I'm so hyped on that thing, even though it's not my car. That is gonna be it for this 2006 Subaru WRX build. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Wing was a pain in the ass to get on. We got it on straight. Headlights fit perfectly and no issues there. And front lip fits perfectly, no issues there. I'll have those 3 linked down in the description box below. Dub guys, I hope you enjoyed this little 2 video series. If you did, go down below, smash that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, I'll see you tomorrow.